Today I'm gonna be showing you the type of drink campaigns we set up for our partners and clients. Some people already know how to use their CRM, some others they just never touch it beyond making a phone call. So we created a web form for our clients. This web form is gonna be connected to our funnels where people is gonna be filling out campaigns, filling out information. Very simple. This is go high level. The lead comes through the web form. It creates a contact inside your system. Then this system tag the leads. In this case, I put them a tag then for deals. That way you have a reference of what lead is from who. Then there's a wait time of only 1 minute just for the system to run smoothly. Then it sends a text letting them know who you are, where you're contacting them. They requested a lucrative offer for the property. About the address, it's not a good time to chat, or would you, any other time it's more convenient for you. I always like to give people options. Then there's gonna be a wait time of 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, and so and so. Then we do every 2 weeks, every 10 days, every 15 days, every 20 days. The idea is to stay in contact with this lead and be consistent as long as possible. We will continue to add some drink campaigns here, but I just wanted to share really quick the engaging type of text we are putting out there with our partners. Every partner has a different text campaign. Still interested in selling? This is for the people that is no show all the time. That's gonna happen on any lead generation. That's why you have to have a game plan, an ecosystem that is gonna support your business.